welcome back to my channel, TJ's Life, and my name is Tanja. Today I am coming back with you with a video to go over my first paycheck for the month of December and the things that I have paid. Okay, so this is where we are right here. Let me move this out the way for now. Okay, I hope you guys can see this. Hold on. Alright, so this is where we are so far in the month of December. I'll pull my calculator out as well. So far as income, so how I started off the week, obvious that I was in the negative, and I was minus 1804, and so 1804. And then what I was expecting for my paycheck was some $1,050.84. And other 400. Oh, hold on. Okay. 1804 minus 1,584 plus 1804 minus 18.04, there we go, plus 1,050.84 plus 400 equals, and this is just the budgeted amount, equals 1432.80. And this, stayed the same, but my actual paycheck was actually $1,004.24. Okay, I already got that there. 986 minus, okay, 986.20 plus 400 equals 1386.20, which I have right there. And first of our paycheck, the difference was $46.60 minus. So I don't understand how that happens. We're on a flex schedule, which means every other week I have Friday off, which is today. So I'm off today. That's why I'm recording this video this early. But last week I had a doctor's appointment on Wednesday, and we're supposed to get paid for our medical appointments, but and last week was my long week, but for whatever reason I feel like I didn't get paid for it, so I don't know what that was about. And then we also had our office Christmas party on Friday, so maybe that could be why, but I don't know, because when I went in to check my hours, it said that that she clocked us out at 5 o'clock. So I don't know. I have no idea. I still don't understand how the flex hours work. But anywho, so some of this stuff was paid before I actually got paid. So the water bill was paid before then. I had to give I owe my boyfriend some money on some things, and that's just how we do. And I paid him back all of that, so that was a total of $500 towards him. I'm still waiting on my Google Play to come out to 12. Well, it's not good. Well, Google is Google data basically, and I'm still waiting on that to come out. I did pay this alone from Cash App. And I paid that on, see, that was due yesterday, so, but I paid it on the 3rd. I paid it yesterday. Yesterday was the 13th. Okay, and then paid my dish bill early. It's not really due until like the 23rd. Paid that off. Still haven't paid Max, which is an auto pay. It has not came out yet. Paid my past due amount on my gas, which was $66.49, and that's gas for the house. I paid the electric bill which is past due. I paid $84.75 on that. And actually YouTube technically does not come out till the 23rd. And I should just switch that over. So that's what I'm going to do. I don't think this is erasable ink. It's not. So let's pray this thing works right. So I'm going to take this off of here, because it's not due until like my next pay comes out. So I'll just put it over here. I'll put it on the other side. YouTube. And it's $14.93. And then I don't know when these are coming out, but I just have them written right here. And then I had to I paid back Mark $110 to go towards our dryer went out on us on Monday evening. So we had to go to the laundromat, and he was like, we need a new dryer because we're not going to be going back and forth to the laundromat in the wintertime. And he went out, and the very next day got a dryer. So I'm thankful for that. So I have this all set up for next week. I'm supposed to be getting a raise. I just don't know when it's going to go through. Hopefully the next paycheck. So I'm just going to keep on budgeting. $1,050.84. I don't know what my rollover is going to be. By my second paycheck, we'll be getting ready to pay the rent. And like I said, we already paid the utilities for the month. But if I know him, he's going to want to pay it early, and we can get that out the way. And then a lot of these is just going through. And I didn't put my payday date here because I don't know, with the holiday being on a Wednesday and then Christmas Eve, you know, that Tuesday, I may get paid on the 22nd, but I'm not sure. So I'm just going to leave that blank for now, and then just wait until that day, you know, comes. And this is, as I mentioned before, this is my pre-planned budget workbook. And so I've been tracking all of my spending here, and it's all up to date. And then let me pull out my budget bond workbook real quick, and then we're going to be done with this video. And so this is what my month overview looks like so far this month. And like I said, I've been tracking everything. Still spending every day, but hopefully I can get that together. I'm just giving up for this year because I know it's just always something that comes up. So this basically, nope, that wasn't no spending. That's color orange. Sorry. All right. And I'm not sure if I'm going to go back to using stickers in these. It's just kind of easier to go ahead and just use the highlighters. But yeah, that's it for this video actually. If you stayed to the end, I thank you so much. And if you wish to see more videos like this, why don't you just go ahead, hit the notification bell and ring the bell one more time, just so that you can receive a notification every time I post a new video. Until next time, bye bye.